Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Instead of defining the greatest common factor, I'm going to jump into a couple examples where I just list some terms and we find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is the largest number that divides evenly into all these terms. So 2 divides evenly into 24, 12, and 20, but it's not the largest number. 4 is. So 4 is the greatest common factor. Dealing with variables and powers, you're always going to choose the variable with the lowest power. So our greatest common factor is going to be y to the 5th, because all 3 of these terms have a y to the 5th in them. In this last example, we can deal with coefficients and variables separately. The largest common factor between 6, 8, and 14 is 2. They're all divisible by 2. And as for a's, the lowest power of a that we see is a to the 3rd, so that's going to be our greatest common factor, 2a to the 3rd. Let's use that last example in a more realistic problem. So we're going to factor this expression using the greatest common factor. We already said the GCF is 2a to the 3rd, but when we factor it out, we're going to be dividing each term by 2a to the 3rd. 6a to the 4th divided by 2a to the 3rd is just 3a. 8a to the 10th divided by 2a to the 3rd will get us 4. Remember, subtract the exponents, a to the 7th. And 14a to the 3rd divided by 2a to the 3rd will just be 7. Notice all the divisions should work out perfectly because we chose our greatest common factor because it divides evenly into all the terms.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.